Hi! Today we're doing an excavation, digging for shark teeth. Ha ha ha! Come along on our adventure, won't you? And don't forget, hit that red subscribe button down below. Thanks! Ahoy! Welcome back to the adventures of Captain Jay and Tiki. Henry's here joining us again for a fun adventure. Now we got this little thing. Henry, what does this say? This is, can you read those words? National Geographic's
Shark Tooth Dig Kit.
Shark Tooth Dig Kit. Yes. This is what it looks like. It looks like a very fun adventure. We're going to open it up here and check it out, Henry. So, here we go. Let's open up this box here.
Speaking of teeth, I have two wiggly teeth.
You have two wiggly teeth?
Uh-huh.
How many
One
teeth
up
does a
here.
shark have?
I have one.
Hundreds. Actually, sharks have hundreds of teeth. Rows and rows. And when one of their teeth falls out, the other one flips back up. Let's throw that over there. This is Shark Tooth Translations. We don't need that. We've got a dig kit right here, right?
And there's the shark tooth.
There's the shark tooth. Hoo-ha. Right there. This is an empty box. We don't need that. Plastic bag, magnifying glass. We've got this little dig tool here. Let's see. We're going to open up the instructions. Being a paleontologist requires patience and care, and so does finding. This is the guide. Let's see what we have, Henry. Let me see this to open it, please. Open it first. All right, nice up in front. Let's look. Yep, make sure it's up here. How are we going to do this? Oh, we're going to scrape. We're going to use the tool to scrape. Very good, very good. Is it soft or hard? Henry?
Hard.
It's kind of hard, right? Kind of like if we were out in the desert digging for dinosaur bones. The desert rock and sand is pretty hard, right? You add water, it gets a little clayish-y. Now we found these online. You can order them. You can get them at craft stores. These are fun National Geographic learning things here. Let's see, what does it look like? Henry has the middle lane here, kind of carved out, but nothing yet, right? All right, keep digging. Let's learn some more about sharks while we wait, shall we? You keep doing it. Unlike other fish, sharks have a skeleton that is made of cartilage, not bone. Cartilage, like what's in your ear and your nose, and Cartilage is strong, flexible, and light, but it does not usually survive long enough to become a fossil. Fossils were only created when harder bones or teeth are gradually infused with minerals over millions of years. Fortunately, sharks have left us lots and lots of fossilized teeth. Unlike humans, who have one set of baby teeth and one set of adult teeth, sharks keep several rows of replacement teeth at all times. When they lose a tooth, another one moves into its place. See? Told you. I told you so! Haha! I was right. Alright. Henry? Shall we show our first one? Here, come on back here. Look at that. Look at that big tooth here. You hold it. Show the camera. Get up real close. Show the camera what it looks like. That's excellent, huh? Very cool. Come back here. Let's look at it. Hold it up here. We'll zoom in. That is neat. Make something out of that. Here you go. You working on this one next? Show them what we got. And then in the back of the box here, it tells us what we have. So, this one here, the sharpest of sharp, is a sand tiger shark tooth. Let's see it.
Sand tiger shark.
This one right here, sand tiger shark tooth. Okay? The next one is a crow shark. This is an extinct kind of shark, which means they don't exist anymore. The crow shark. Okay? And the last one Otodus obliquus, which is also extinct. 45 to 60 million years ago. That's what that one looks like.
Yeah.
Right there. Don't drop your shark teeth. Henry, what we could do with these, we could probably make these into some kind of jewelry, like a necklace or something for you if you like. Hold on, let's hold them up one more time all together. Right up nice and close. There you go. Those are great. Well, this was very fun. National Geographic Shark Tooth
It got
Dig
stuck
Kit.
in my head.
Awesome work. All right, let's clean this up. We'll see you guys next time, all right? Bye.
Ahoy! Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you don't want to miss another one, hit the subscribe button below. And don't forget, Captain Jay's here every week on Wednesdays with a new episode for you. If you want more Captain Jay, check out my book, Captain Jay and the Misfit Crew. It's available online on Barnes & Noble, Amazon, and Wordery.com. We'll see you next time. Bye!